This video is sponsored by the Home Depot, and today I will be participating in the 2018 Holiday Style Challenge, where I will be styling my space with seasonal products available at the Home Depot. Take the hassle out of decorating and take a trip to your local Home Depot. Their stores are filled with so much holiday inspiration and decor this year, and I'm going to share how I made this oversized wreath for my double front doors. This is a 60-inch non-pre-lit wreath that I had in our attic for many years, but the Home Depot has 60-inch pre-lit trees available online, and I'll provide a link down below in case you guys want one. The hubster used this 14-inch bolt cutter that you can also get from the Home Depot, and all you're going to do is cut the wire on the wreath. It doesn't take much strength to get through the wire. Next, I got busy fluffing and shaping the wreath. Fluffing is a step you do not want to skip because your wreath will look nice and full, so have patience. The end results will pay off. All of my Christmas decor are here and ready to get dressed. I wanted to add lights to my wreath, so I made a well separating the branches so I can add this 9-foot pre-lit artificial fir Christmas garland for only $29.98 that you can get from the Home Depot. The garland is trimmed with pine cones and branches and berries and leaves, and it has over 100 clear incandescent lights. This garland can easily be used on your mantle, your railing, or doorway, and it can be used indoors or outdoors. Next, I added this ribbon that you can also get from the Home Depot. I wanted a plush, stylish look, and I think I achieved it with this ribbon. It has a silver edge, which is actually the wire, which is also important to have to shape your ribbon the way you want it. Again, using the branches on the wreath to secure the ribbon, weaving the ribbon in and out, wrapping the branches to secure the ribbon. For a cluster of balls look, I added these red and gold ornaments. This 9-count set was only $19.98, tons of unique designs and shapes and finishes. Because these ornaments are 130 millimeters, I used floral wire to secure them to the wreath. But these Christmas ornaments are not made for outdoor use, but since my porch is covered, I think it'll be fine. In case you're wondering where the hanging bells are from, you guessed it, the Home Depot. They come in gold or red for only $7.98 each, and they can be used indoors or outdoors, and best of all, they are shatterproof. You can definitely place them on your Christmas tree. I placed 2 on my wreath. If you don't want to make your wreath, no worries. The Home Depot has tons of choices to choose from. They have a variety of styles and colors and sizes, and if you're looking for a Christmas tree, here is where you can get them. And while you're there getting your tree, grab your trimmings to decorate not only your tree, but your interior decor too. They have ornaments galore, beautiful festive ribbon at reasonable prices, everything to decorate every corner of your home. My shopping experience at the Home Depot was so much fun, and I challenged myself to do something not only different, but very much out of my comfort zone, and I'm so glad that I did. And I see people stopping and pointing at the door with disbelief almost. We are definitely the talk of our neighborhood. This Norfolk pine is the perfect holiday plant that you can enjoy all year round, with its needle branches tying in my festive holiday look. And for only $19.98, it can make the perfect holiday gift that comes with a cute little gift tag that has easy care and grow plant inside. This plant is pretty enough as is, but I took it a step further and placed it inside one of my favorite planters. Layered doormats are so on trend right now, and I love placing a jute or wool rug down for that extra layer of texture and warmth that it offers. The Home Depot has tons of holiday doormats right now for only $9.98 each. This rug is 18 by 30, and I'm placing the rug on top of my jute rug. This look has so much charm and personality, and it shows that you have a savvy sense of style. Outdoor decor can sometimes take a beating, and my planter boxes I've had for years have seen better days. But it only took about an hour to clean and spray paint the boxes, to freshen up the look, to prepare them for these beautiful poinsettias. They came in different sizes and prices, and I placed 2 inside the planters, tying in the red from my door wreath. And my welcome post has also seen better days. This was a DIY that I did about 4 years ago, and it's still hanging in there. And the handy hook is there to hang my seasonal decor, and the paint almost brought it back to new. Instead of hanging a sign this year, I'm hanging this 32-inch Golden Tidings teardrop that can be used outdoors for only $19.98. This swag is pre-decorated with gold ornaments, berries, and pine cones. I felt that the top of the post needed a little something, and I came across this beautiful velvet bow that's actually a tree topper for $8.88. I love that it's big and full, and I didn't have to make it. Also at the Home Depot, they have indoor-outdoor deers. We had to add the finishing touches with these 2 adorable standing deers with a blingy collar and lighted antlers. The LED lights uses less electricity for added energy efficiency and stay cool to the touch. To keep my reindeers in place in case a high wind comes, I purchased heavy-duty outdoor anchor stakes to help keep them secured to the ground. 6 in a pack for $9.98, and all you do is drive the stake into the ground and attach the decoration, and it also comes with 15 feet of nylon rope. We spend a lot of time on our screened-in patio, and I wanted to add a few touches for the holiday by adding some mini lights to our existing topiary trees. This pack of 50 mini lights were so easy to add onto our spiral trees. I just followed the spiral. You can do this to your tree even if you have an indoor tree. It's absolutely beautiful at night with the lights gleaming through the tree. If you don't have a topiary, don't worry. The Home Depot has a beautiful display of them in their store for you to choose from, pre-lit and non-pre-lit. Although we live in Florida, we still get chilly evenings, and the hubster and I like to sit on our patio by the fire and enjoy a quick snack and catch up on our week, while cozying up on the chair with this festive Christmas pillow. This 18 by 18 metallic gold embroidery and welt pillow is so soft and comfortable. The pillow is one of many to choose from. There's others that you can mix and match with solids and other holiday styles for a classic look. During the holidays, when your family and friends are around you, it's the greatest feeling of all. And for me, it's that time of the year where I look forward to relaxing and spending some much needed time with them. You'll have a whole new appreciation for your family and Christmas. I'd like to give a special thanks to the Home Depot and of course to you, my darlings, for watching.